Hey, how's it going? I went out to collect some microscope samples. You probably can't see me right now. I don't know how this lighting is or the framing is or anything like that. I think my nose might be running. But check that out. It's a box that I normally carry yo-yos in. But today, it's got some water samples, some algae. So I'm pretty excited. It's a little cold out. But I think we should go back to the apartment and see if there's anything in them. I mean, I know that there's stuff in them, like, pond creatures and whatnot. So, yeah, I'll see you there. Now I just gotta walk back to the car. Oh, and just for the record, everything that I picked up was like out on this path and stuff, so it's all pretty doable stuff if you want to pick up anything. Anyhow, let's get back. Okay, here we are. Did I say before that this is traveling ways? It's traveling ways. So, oh my goodness, I had to wait for the dishwasher to stop working. But now it's done, so it's nice and quiet in here. So, let's take a look at this stuff that I picked up. So I think today we're gonna look at what I've got mounted on the slide is some pond scum. Well, that was a complete lie. It's mud from a small stream next to, it was a larger stream next to like Fond du Lac area, I guess. So like in Wisconsin, we'll say, a Midwestern stream, and it's mud. The stream was running under the trail, so let's look. Didn't look like it was some pretty fast moving water, so I wasn't sure. Oh man. Okay, and I'll admit, I may have looked at this a little bit because I couldn't wait. Oh snap, what is that? Well, I've looked at this a bit, but oh, let's zoom in. We don't have time to waste. What is that thing? Oh my gosh. See, everything's moving. Oh, what? Ooh. Okay, well, I've actually oh my gosh. I just ordered a book on how to identify this stuff because there's so much. But look at this. Look at all the stuff that's moving. There's like long kind of yellow green things. I just don't know. Sorry, adjusting my camera. I just don't know like even where to begin. Look at all the little guys. There, they're in focus. I just don't know. Look at those guys. They're like sticks. I didn't know that they were alive, but then they're moving around. Oh, and there's, I think, some smaller ones of those guys. What do you say we zoom in some more and check out one of those like stick-looking things? Look at that. No way. So are those cells? Look at the side of him. Little striations. I think maybe those are cells. And look at those little guys swimming right above him. Oh, there's someone down below or maybe above. I think it's like the same thing, kind of one of those stick guys. Oh, that's an even bigger stick guy. I need to work on my oh, what is that? It's like moving along. Is that an animal? What is that? Do you guys see that thing moving alongside of him? That's like a little car. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, this is crazy. Yeah, look, there's another one of them little car guys just on the edge of that. Oh my gosh, guys. Here, what do you say we turn up the light a little bit and see what happens? Yeah. No, it's kind of harder to see. Turn it back down. Okay, let's zoom out and, oh, look, there's a little guy there. I think he's crawling along. Oh, it's a little ball. Where is he going? Oh, he's gone. Of course, there's a little guy here. Now, my lens has a bit of stuff on it. Gotta get that clean. Oh, look at all the tiny guys just moving around. And there's another one of those. There's some things. Oh, they've got the two. Oh, it's a worm. Oh, do you guys see that worm? Snaking along. He was right at the center of the screen. Oh, I wish I could point. What? This is just a solid video of me not knowing what's happening and loving it. I am so overwhelmed by this stuff here. Check that thing out. Let's see if more light helps us. I wonder what that is. No way. He's just kind of hanging out, moving along. He's got little things crawling on him too. Crazy. Okay, let's zoom out and do some more exploring. I wonder how many different bugs are just in this little slide. Oh, whoa. What is that? No way. Oh. So that's like some sort of worm. I mean, it's a worm, right? Oh, I'm never gonna drink pond mud again. This is why if you're hiking, I guess, use your filter. Because this guy is in there. Oh my gosh, this is also why you stay away from stagnant water and mud. Oh. What was that red piece? Same guy? It's the same guy. Just keep moving along. More people. Let's zoom out again. See, when you're this far out, it's like you almost can't see anything. The camera doesn't really love it. It's overexposed and and there's the edge of the slide right there. Oh, the water is drying up. This is just in like 1/4 of a teaspoon of dirt. That's kind of odd. Looks like a hair or something. Or an old worm. Oh yeah. We were just too zoomed out earlier. Once you're at this level, you start seeing everything moving. Let's inspect this thing. What do you guys think it is? I think it's some sort of hair, but it could be a worm. Whatever these little guys are with the 2 dots, they're very common. They're just all floating around, hanging out. Wow, this has just been amazing. Oh, I could just look around for hours. What? Ooh, look at that quick guy that was right there. I swear that guy was just moving, but oh, it's one of the little balls again. Yeah, he was moving. What are you? Are you, what is that? Oh, we're going to the left. If I can remember what's what. I think if you look really closely, there's a little, they have a little feeler. No way. Look at that thing. Oh. Look at, he's feeling around, looking for food. It's like a long arm or something. No way. Oh, that almost makes me uncomfortable. Actually, almost isn't the word. Definitely makes me a little uncomfortable. Wow. Well, let's just, I'm gonna advance to a completely different part. There we go. Maybe over here. Oh, look, it's like a stick guy, but he looks different. I ordered a textbook on this stuff. But until I get that textbook, who knows what everything is. Yeah, turning up the light doesn't really help. Oh, there's another big stick guy. More of those 2-cell green guys. They're not 2 cells, but... And he looks like those tiny guys, but he's large. Oh. I should end this video, because this will just go on for hours. But, well, it's been fun to look around with you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. This is my reminder to you, though. There's always some awesome stuff if you stop and look around. You don't need a microscope. If you just sit next to a trail and like watch birds and stuff and listen. And if you haven't had COVID recently, you can smell too. And not saying you smell, I'm saying like you can. Never mind. What I'm saying is pay attention to what's around you, because if this is in like a little bit of mud. Here we go. What? Oh, wait. We're not over yet. We're almost over. But that green guy, look at him. He's just twirling around. Oh, I've lost him. Well, anyhow, if stuff this crazy is just in a little bit of dirt, man, there's cool stuff everywhere. You just gotta be looking around for it. So anyhow, I'm Andrew. This is moving. Oh my gosh. I think we can see the water line moving due to the water evaporating. That's crazy. Sorry. Midwestern goodbye. I'm Andrew. This has been Traveling a Ways. There are some insane things in this mud. We should do this again sometime. We'll be in touch. Oh, look at those. Look at them all. This makes me feel a little sick. Oh, man. See ya.